So here I have a question on not getting calls on Google Ads. Every day around 60 to 100 euro are getting spent on ads. Also once a few days we get a call. It's really frustrating spending that much per click yet getting no actual returns. Is there something I'm missing out? The contest is that we run a home improvement repair shop. Every day we have insiders. Insiders means a part of your own company, or competitors, you know, you have sources stating that competitors are getting around 20 calls a day. However, we are spending with no actual payback. Any help would be of a value. Very interesting. To the right direction, we have a question over here. Okay, so let me answer it on this. Okay, so the first thing I would recommend you is that how you are running calls. I mean, how you are running the campaign. I mean, are you running a normal search campaign or a specific Google Ads call campaign? Okay, because both are different. In the Google Ads call campaign, in the headline the call number is visible, and that is only visible to the people who are searching from mobile, not on desktop or tablets. Okay, so what kind of an campaign you are running, that is very important. If you are running a normal search campaign, that is the time to close on and work specifically on a call campaign. And I would rather suggest to create a local Google Map search ad as well, so the results can be seen on the local cross area of the people who lives in your city or your close location, and you can exactly target them. Okay, these are few of the ideas. You can even work on retargeting. Okay, then again it comes to campaign settings and optimizing a lot of stuff. But my next question would be to optimize your landing page. Rather spending majority of your money on campaign, spend that money on optimizing your website user experience, and that plays a huge role. Let me show you one of a landing pages which I like, and that is the result of continuous optimize, doing optimization. You can see that. Okay, now you can see that this is one of the curtains in Dubai, and you can see how great the landing page is. Request a callback. Okay, a better again. There's a room for improvement. A phone number over here is very easy, and the click to call button, so that people can directly call on the number by just clicking on the phone number, and the phone number written over here in the bold would be an ideal position for them. Like people can easily call from them. Very interesting landing page according to me. See the reviews, you can see the reviews, you can see get a free code, curtains, quality, different stuff. Okay, you review your fantastic feedback. Okay, this makes a perfect landing page. Ideally, maximum information being displayed without scrolling down. Without scrolling, you get a submit, request, get a free code, or a call us today button. Okay, everything over here is a very to the rightly to the point. Okay, you need to work on your landing page first and create something which is highly convincing. We have a lot of CTS call to actions to get the calls, and that is how you can make this project a successful one. I hope you like it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can keep on seeing videos like this. Thank you and bye bye.